Welcome back to the channel, guys, and thanks for coming by. This is that 2020 RFZ 110. It's been 3 years. Just a flat tire on the front, the end of the third season. And I told you about the bolt that broke on the engine mount. But that was due, I think, because the top ones were loose, and I think that's what did it. Put a little extra stress on it. The exhaust broke. You can see that in the video a while back. And you're better off just to, if that happens to you, weld this one rather than buy a new one. Because if you buy a new one, it's going to have the same cheap weld on there. Chinese bike, but for the price, well worth it. New back tire and muffler on there, and that's about it, guys. I'll get Bill and he'll come out and start it up for you. Give it a cold start. 27 degrees Fahrenheit here today. Try not giving it any gas.